Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa news across the globe. At Villa Sora in the heart of Frascati, Samaragasi returns. In recent days, in fact, registrations have opened for the summer event that will animate the Salesian Institute. A nice novelty of this edition is that the boys' summer will extend beyond the usual 3 weeks, adding an additional week. Young people will then be able to participate in the children's summer from 14 June to 9 July 2021. The days will clearly take place in full compliance with anti-contagion rules, as happened last year, to protect everyone's health. Before accessing the rooms, trials will have to be carried out, and in addition, the same environments will be sanitized. It should be remembered that all the animators who will be present will have followed a training course on COVID-19. On the occasion of the 55th World Day of Social Communications, the province of the Northern Philippines, FIN, awarded the winners of the 7th edition of the Don Bosco Film Festival. The ceremony took place last May 15th and was an award for many young filmmakers. All participants showed great creativity in using the available media and information to create quality results and, above all, to communicate God to others through the craft of filmmaking. Unlike previous years, when the award ceremony took place at Don Bosco Technical College in Mandaluyong or the Don Bosco Technical Institute in Makati, this year the event took place through Zoom and Facebook. The online performance, for the first time in the festival's history, encouraged a wide range of audiences to attend the ceremony, celebrating together with the winners and organizers. The Salesian province of Bangalore continues to work tirelessly to help the population affected by the effects of the pandemic. The impact of the second wave of COVID-19 is increasingly frightening, and maximum efforts are needed to counter it. The unceasing work of BREDS, the Office of Planning and Development of the Salesian province of Bangalore, has also been tolerated by the Indian news agency NDTV, which has described on its website all the activities carried out by the Salesians in these difficult months. As reported by NDTV itself, with hospital beds difficult to find, while India is battling a devastating second wave of COVID infections, asymptomatic patients and those with mild symptoms are encouraged to isolate themselves at home. However, due to the exhaustion caused by the virus, it becomes difficult for them to cook a meal as well. Thus, a group of NGOs, including BREDS, decided to launch an initiative called Home Food. After the meetings held in recent months, the Rector Major, Don Angel Fernandez Artime, appointed Don Daniel Artunes, Argentine Salesian, belonging to the province of Argentina South, as the new prosecutor of Don Bosco Missions, the Salesian Missionary Prosecutor's Office in Turin. Don Bosco Missions, as well as Misiones Salesianas, Missionary Prosecutor's Office of Madrid, and Salesian Missions by New Rochelle, directly depends on the Rector Major. Don Daniel Artunes was Provincial Director of the province of Blessed Zeferino Namuncura of South Argentina, ARS, until February of this year. Of him, in addition to the excellent work done for his province, the Rector Major underlined the rich experience in very different fields. His person will undoubtedly add great wealth to the human group composed mainly of laymen and women, on which Don Bosco Missions counts right now. The community of the Casa Salesiana unit has organized to collect donations for several families of Lake Pulo affected by the devastating fire that occurred this year. The action was possible thanks to the collaboration of every family in the house, the teaching staff and the association groups. On May 1st, a seminar on media education was held, coordinated by Don Ambrose Pereira, SDB, Secretary of the Office of Social Communication of the Episcopal Conference of Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands. The event focused on the theme Hope in the Midst of COVID-19 and was attended by students from the Don Bosco Technological Institute, Boroko, and other Catholic schools. The seminar also deepened Pope Francis' message for World Communication Day 2021 entitled Come and See, John chapter 1 verse 46, communicate by meeting people where and how they are. On May 9th, the online meeting of Salesians, cooperators and delegates of South Korea took place with over 110 participants. The event began with greetings from Provincial Coordinator Park Andrew and presentations from the centers. Then the Provincial Secretary ASC Park Pascal spoke about the activities of the Salesian cooperators of the previous year and in particular the donation for Myanmar which took place in the last Lent retreat. Then the head of the Provincial ASC Finance, Park Cecilia, presented her financial report. Then they spoke. Don Park, John Bosco SDB, delegate of the Salesian Cooperators of the Province of South Korea, KOR, who thanked the members of the ASC for the participation of the meeting, emphasizing the importance of hope and communion with others. Sister Kim Geltruda, FMA delegate, who stressed the importance of spirituality and ecological activities. The Salesian Center Santo Domingo Savio in Cartago has for some years started an initiative that consists in the collection of food donated by parishioners and benefactors in favor of poor families in the area. Those who wish to collaborate go to the facilities of the center to make a donation consisting among others of cereals, eggs, canned products, oil and water. Delivery is made every first Friday of the month, commemorating God's mercy in the memory of His Son's Sacred Heart. Currently, the initiative reaches 40 families in the vicinity of the Salesian work and involves other people in addition to the community, such as the members of the Association of Mary Help of Christians ADMA, who deal with the packing of packages, collaborators of the work and inspiring Salesians. On 19th May 2021, from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. at the Pontifical Salesian University of Rome, the 9th volume of the critical edition of the Don Bosco's Epistolae collects just under 5 letters written by the saint 1884 to 1886. Government letters, letters of animation, business letters, letters of educational training, letters of congratulations and good wishes, letters of requests for financial aid with related thanks. In short, a series of letters of various kinds, many of them unpublished, addressed to every category of people, from the highest civil and religious authorities, emperors, ministers, popes and cardinals, to simple lay people, men, women and young people. Although elderly and physically almost shadow of himself in 3-year period considered, Don Bosco continues undaunted to govern and animate the congregation through his epistolal relations. The white even with the new correspondence scattered around the world. French, Spanish, Portuguese, Belgians, Poles, English, Germans, Austrians, Hungarians, Chileans, Argentinians, Uruguayans and Brazilians. The new National Education Policy 2020 proposes the revision and revamping of all aspects of education in India. A webinar on the implementation of National Education Policy 2020 organized by All India Don Bosco Education Society AIDBES and the Education and Cultural Dimension of the Salesian Province of New Delhi held on May 15, 2021 looked into the various possibilities of NEP. The webinar, focusing on the creative potential of the individual learner, began with introductory words by Father Davis Mani Paramban, Provincial of New Delhi. Father Babu Varghese welcomed Mr. Pradip Tahor, Director of Aditya Birla Education Academy, and Dr. Daksha Yini Khanna, the facilitators and 60 principals of Don Bosco Schools, Salesian Province of New Delhi, the Catholic Schools of Delhi, NCR region. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.